Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview SeaKlear Thick Tile and Vinyl Cleaner. What is SeaKlear Thick Tile and Vinyl Cleaner? SeaKlear is an easy and effective way to combat any stains, dull film, scum lines, and other problems caused by contaminants in your pool or spa. Its powerful formula has a gel-like consistency to help it cling to tile surfaces, allowing you to concentrate its cleaning power on problem areas, especially in hard-to-reach grout lines. Product benefits: removes oil and scum, can be used on acrylic surfaces. Easy application means less time scrubbing. Made in the United States. Usage directions: 1. Apply with a brush, soft cloth, or sponge. 2. Allow cleaner to work for 1 to 2 minutes. 3. Rinse thoroughly with water. SeaKlear Thick Tile and Vinyl Cleaner is made to the high standards that SeaKlear demands of all its products, allowing you to buy with confidence. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.